Good morning. My name is David Brown. I'm the Facilities and Maintenance Manager for Naval Air Station Meridian, Mississippi. This morning we're going to do a quick harness inspection. We'll start by grasping the harness webbing itself, checking both sides, looking for any tears, rips, discoloration, stains, frame, fabric, hard shiny webbing, any burn marks, any tears in the stitching. You're going to have to pick the webbing up and run your hands through it to make sure that your eyes don't miss something, because your hands make a difference when you're inspecting a harness. Once you bend it and run it over your fingers, you'll see if anything is torn. Here's some glue. You'll also take a look at all the hardware, feel it, make sure there are no rough or torn edges, if something's not gouged out on it. More glue. You're also going to be looking at all the stitching on your harness to ensure that it's not worn or torn. Make sure the stitching's not missing in any places. That's just a manufacturer's start and stop. Now the stitching is cut, it's still in really good shape. Little wear marks here. You need to check all your hardware on the harness to make sure there's no rough edges. You're looking for this rust, corrosion, a little bit of corrosion here. Make sure it's not broken. Make sure it's not elongated. Also check the base of the dorsal D-ring for stress marks or the flag indicator to ensure that this has not received previous shock. Ensure none of the plastic, if it's so equipped, is not torn or cut underneath the edges of the straps where the straps go through. Make sure the roller and the tongue buckle operates freely. This one happens to be spring loaded. Ensure it still works. Check your buckle, make sure they operate freely, not torn around the edges here where they go into the webbing. Checking everything on this harness, front and back. You'll also want to check the tag to ensure it's still in service, and make sure the manufacturer's date, make sure the harness is not expired. Just a minute. Thank you very much. It's a quick once over.